Welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make some vegan Snickers inspired stuffed dates. Now these are a great little treat for Easter and I'm sure the kids will love them. So today what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way vegan peanut butter protein powder. I'm going to be using some plain peanut butter, some fresh medjool dates that I've pitted, some melted chocolate and some crushed peanut. So what I'm going to do is, to start off, I'm going to mix the protein powder in with the peanut butter and then I'm going to pour that into the stuffed dates, then dip the dates into the chocolate, put them on a tray or a plate and then sprinkle the crushed peanuts on top.